Good day and welcome to ASTRO'S card cam tutorials. On today's episode, I'll be teaching you guys about the mirror feature. This feature here, mirror entities and mirror feature and body. There are two mirrors, one under features and one under sketch. So I'll be teaching you guys on the two parts. Okay, so let me just create a body first. Okay, okay. Before you can use the mirror entities in the sketch parts, you have to have a body or a sketch you want to mirror. So let's say I draw a square here, a circle, sorry. I draw a circle here and I want to mirror it here. I don't want to draw another circle here. You have to make sure this um okay, sorry. You have to create like a mirror, how would I put it? A mirror reference. Okay, so I'm going to draw like a center line here. I'm going to put it at this point here. The make it coincide with this origin point and let it be vertical. So I'm going to use this as our mirror plane. So if I click on mirror entities, ask you what entities do you want to mirror. Click this circle here, and they're asking for the mirror reference. What do you want to mirror it about? Use this. So now it will show you a preview. It's going to put it at the other side. Once you click OK, it's going to appear there. So if I'm to make this point now coincide with this point, if I make it coincident, this one is going to also be coincident to this line. So let's see. So you see, it's going to be coincident with this line. It's going to mirror wherever this circle is. That's where this one is going to be. So let's dimension our sketch. 75. Let's make here. Okay. Okay, I'll make this point and this point. I need to make it vertical. I'm trying to make the body symmetric so every side is equal. So make from here to here 40, and then I'll make this line and this line to be equal. Okay. Then the length of this line, okay, cancel. Sorry, should be the length of this line here, 65. So it seems everything here is fully defined. It's just the distance between these two lines now that's left. So let's make it 25. Okay. This is not fully defined yet. Okay, I'll click on this line. I'll click on this line and I'll make it collinear. Okay, so our sketch seems fully defined. Now, one more thing about mirror. Wherever you put the line, the reference line, that's the sketch is going to be the opposite distance away from this line, the opposite distance to this main plane. So entities to mirror, let's clear this, let's select this circle. So this circle is going to appear somewhere around here. So if you mirror about here, you see the preview is here. So if you click OK, you get this. It's going to be symmetric basically. There's going to be equal distance between the two bodies. We don't want this now. You now understand how mirror entities in the sketch feature works. So now we're just going to extrude this. We're going to extrude this shape. Okay. Let's use midplane and let's do 50, 100. Click OK. Okay, so now let's see how this feature mirror works. Okay, so let's click on this face here, for example. Now we're going to drill, make extrude cut a cross here. We're going to use center rectangle here. I'll do one here, and I'll do another one here. Okay, and I'll just make this and this to be collinear. I don't think it would work for this though. Okay, it did. So I'm going to extrude cut this. Okay, so select this face, this. I'm going to use blind, and I'll use maybe 5. Okay, so now we have this cross here. So instead of us drawing the shape again at this point here, we can just mirror that cut to the other side. Before you do that, you have to make note that your sketch, your drawing or your body has to be a symmetric body. If it's not symmetric, the mirror might not come out the way you want it to come out. So now this my sketch is symmetric. If we can pick the right plane, you see the right plane cuts across the middle. Right plane, see, right plane cuts along the middle. It's equal on both sides. So now, if I click on mirror mirror feature here, they ask me the plane I want to mirror. So I'm going to open this menu here and click on right plane. Then you come to features to mirror. You you can click this cross, or you can also click it from here. Cut extrude. Now you see the preview is at this point here. So if I click OK, you see, you see. So what mirror feature does here, it doesn't create a new feature. It just copies and pastes the old one that you've selected. It doesn't create a new sketch and extrude, because it just copies the feature and pastes it at the other side. So let me show you. Okay, there's not much to do on this mirror. Actually, there's not much to do. Everything here is very self-explanatory. This table is for features to mirror. Okay, so now I'm going to do one more thing. Let me show you. Let me talk about bodies to mirror. So now I'm going to pick for this mirror part. I'm going to pick this face here. Then bodies to mirror. I'm going to pick this whole body. So it's going to copy this whole body and paste it at the other side. So you see, that's what this does. And you can join the solids together, or you can merge it so it becomes two separate bodies. But if you click on it, as far as they are touching each other, it becomes one solid body. So that's what bodies to mirror does. And faces to mirror, quite the same thing. We're focusing on bodies to mirror. So you click OK, and see you have exactly the same original body, but it's moved to the other side. So that's all you need to know on mirror. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do well to give us a like and a subscribe. See you on the next one.